What's going on, everyone? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. This is the video you all have been wanting to see. I'm going to bring you guys into my world from a vlogging perspective of my day-to-day, what I do at my studio, some of my team, some of the fun we have, a couple of bad jokes here and there. For those that know me, you know I'm great with jokes. But anyway, I really want to showcase the side of me you've never seen before. And throughout the years, 10 years I've been on YouTube, and it's been hair tutorial after hair tutorial. And I really want to share with you the business side of what I do, the fun side, testing products, my studio, all these fun, great things. And I'm gonna bring you guys into my world. So let's do it. Welcome to the Salon Guy Studios. You've seen me do videos here all the time. I've given you little sneak peeks about what this place is. It used to be a hair salon, and I actually took it over. I saw a for rent sign on it, and just having this studio, the journey to get to this point, was a really, really long journey. And I always wanted my own space. God gave me this space. I'll be honest with you. This was a miracle to come across this. Saw a for rent sign, and next thing you know, it made things happen. I didn't want to open up a salon to the public, just because I've been in the industry for 20 something years. I know what it entails. I wanted a space for my YouTube videos where I can see private clients, where I can do my product stuff, do some business stuff where we can film for clients and things like that. And that's really what the Salon Guy Studios is. Also hands-on education. We do private hands-on education for hairstylists and barbers. It's awesome. The space is really, really cool. And everyone that comes in here is they dig it. They're like, Steven, this place is so sick. And I just want to kind of let you know what the Salon Guy Studios is. So behind me is my camera gear, and I have this all set up for when I'm doing photo shoots. This is for one of my new products that I'm doing a photo shoot for my website and for some social media stuff. But as you can see, kind of a lot goes into this. You know what I mean? I have all these lights, all this camera gear. This is all stuff I've invested in, all to produce photographs and things like that. So I just want to give you a little bit of inside scoop of what's going on here. If you want to see something really cool though, check this out. All right, guys, so I'm going to introduce you to some of my team. And right off the bat, we have Rachel, who's the most enthusiastic person you've ever met. Look at her. She won't even look. What's up, Rach? Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
She's a girl of many, many words. Rachel is really kind of like my right-hand person. She does, I'm trying to get into the frame here. She basically handles my client work. We do management for YouTube channels. She handles a lot of my product stuff with inventory, with just keeping me in order. I cannot survive without Rachel, to be honest with you. She could survive without me. But no, she's really, really awesome. So I just want to start kind of letting you know who my team is, what we do here, and stuff like that. And then we have Julia over here. Julia is a new intern. I always like working with interns. She has been giving me some great ideas. It's because of her basically saying, Steven, let's go. Let's start doing some vlogging. Let's start doing some fun, cool stuff. How do you like working here so far?
It's a great time. Really enjoying. I'm learning a lot. It's a good time.
That's good. That's good. I like to hear it. I try to make it a good environment for everybody. What do you think of my humor so far?
It's really something.
Oh my God. It's really something. That's the first time. I dropped the mic. That's the first time someone's ever saying that's really something. That's a compliment. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. All right, so we're going to get back to work. Julia, she's helped me with creating some content. She's really, really good with social media stuff. And with all the interns that come here, I try to give them a good learning experience. And but she's impressing us big time. So thank you for all your efforts so far. Cool. So now let's get back to work and just follow along with the rest of my day. All right, so Julia, right now, she's looking at my YouTube channel, and we're coming up with new ways and new ideas to create new content. And this was actually one of her ideas to start vlogging and putting things out like this.
I thought it would be nice to kind of go in a different direction and give the fans and the subscribers what they want. So as I was looking through your videos, I saw it was all like hair tutorials. So I was like, you know what, why don't we switch it up? It's a new month. I think it'd be nice to put out some new content. And you guys let us know like what you think of it.
Yeah. So particularly the vlogging stuff. Why this? Why this stuff? You think people really care about like the creator?
Yeah. So
do you guys care about me, or just want to see hair tutorials?
Yeah, like sitting in the office all day, it's nice to kind of hear your background, your story. I'm new, so I figure if like it's things that I barely know, why wouldn't they want to hear about it too? And kind of your journey of how you got to become like the salon guy and have a studio, and like you're able to have interns and stuff.
All right, everyone. So we are at my troll bay right here. This is where all the magic happens, from my editing, my videos, to my emails, to whatever type of work that I'm doing is usually based off of right in this spot right here. And throughout the day, it looks like my keyboard's dead. How many of you people are Apple people? I don't know about you, but between the mouse and the damn keyboard going every 5 minutes, right, with the batteries, it's constant. It's constant. So let me know in the comments if you are Apple people, if you're PC people, or what you're using, because I would love to know. So I'm just going to switch some batteries here. But anyway, so this is where everything really happens, right? And throughout the day, there's multiple parts of my business, right? And a lot of times people are always wondering, what do YouTubers do? And it's pretty obvious if somebody's got like a makeup line or a successful makeup brand or whatever it is they're doing, or a successful vlogger. Those are kind of obvious things, but like the three elements of my business are: one is my YouTube channel, which is a big part of what I do and how I built up my brand. The second part is my hair product line, which I'm growing, and I've been growing for the last couple years. And then lastly, it's like the media side of our business, of like managing YouTube channels for people, consulting, social media management, content marketing, content creation. I've got thousands and thousands of dollars worth of camera gear that I got to put to use. So what we do is we will actually, for companies or for brands who are lacking a little bit in that department, and that's something I'm very, very passionate about. And I'm not one of those guys who literally is like, oh, buy my like ebook on how to build like, YouTube channel. I'm basically, and you have like, 50,000 subscribers, like that's cool. But like what I'm trying to do is take the experience, we're talking 10 plus years of experience, and then, 20 something years on top of that. Take that experience and apply it to clients and apply my knowledge to people. So Rachel, yes? Yes, Rachel just walked in randomly wanting to be in this part of the video. Yes, Rachel, thank you. Thank you. So Rachel is showing me something here. Let's see.
The brochure.
The brochure that we're working on for my products. Wow.
Completely.
It looks amazing. Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
They even added these.
That is phenomenal,
So I
Rachel.
think that looks sick.
That is
And
phenomenal.
then all the prices.
Whoa. You're freaking awesome.
They can see all that.
That's awesome, man. You're awesome. Rachel is freaking incredible. So she's working. There she is. She literally is incredible. And we're working on some redesigns of my product brochures and some marketing stuff, and she's like incredible with that stuff. So yeah, that's awesome. So typically, again, what I'm trying to do right now is really focus on getting my products out there. Also, I want to create opportunities for people. As I'm growing, I love sharing information. I love mentoring people. I love helping them. And I like having a team. I like having the teamwork environment, being somewhat of a role model. And that's it. But I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to get back to work. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please let me know in the comments below if you want to see more stuff like this. I could do content on like, product photography, product testing, how to become a YouTuber, how to create content, camera gear. Like I can go nuts with this stuff. I love doing hair tutorials. I'm never going to stop doing that. But, you know, if you like this, like, let me know. If you want to see more stuff like this to keep it interesting, then please leave some comments. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.